Looking for a reliable, prompt, and experienced licensed contractor to solve your plumbing problem, heat up your home, or cool off your commercial building? With over 20 years of experience, Wagner Plumbing, Heating, and Air is your MVP choice for complete residential and commercial plumbing and HVAC services. From kitchen and bath remodels to repairs on all makes and models, expect a fix for any failure 24/7. Faucet or furnace, dishwasher or disposal, sewer line or slab leak, water heater or water pressure. For fast, fairly priced, and warranted service, call your most valuable provider, Wagner Plumbing, Heating, and Air, today.